John's mother gave him a list. She said, "Go to the market. Buy tomatoes, onions, and bananas." John took a basket and left the house. The market was busy. People were shouting prices. Smells of food and spices filled the air. He walked to a fruit stand. "Bananas, please," he said. The woman smiled. "6 for $2, she said. He paid and placed them in his basket. Next, he went to buy tomatoes. He forgot the price his mother told him. So he asked, "How much for one bowl?" The seller said, $5. John remembered it was cheaper. He moved to another seller and paid less. He bought onions last. When he finished, he turned to leave. Then he heard a small voice. "I can't find my mummy." A small girl stood crying. John looked around. He held her hand and walked to the main gate. Soon, they saw a woman shouting the girl's name. "Is this your daughter?" John asked. "Yes, thank you so much," she said. John smiled. He walked home, feeling happy. He helped someone and bought everything on the list. Let's learn some new words from the story. Market, a place where people buy and sell things. Vendor, someone who sells something. Bargain, to ask for a better price. Change, the money you get back after you pay. Fruit, food that grows on trees or plants, like bananas. Basket, a container for carrying items. Help, to give support or do something kind. Now, for you, do you like going to the market? What do you usually buy? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Learn English Through Stories with Jennifer. We post new English stories every day to help you speak better and understand more. Join us again tomorrow.